What's up, guys? Bandit Trader here. Today I'm bringing you guys another video. This video kind of goes along hand with my previous video where I talked about Salesforce. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you guys check it out. It is a continuation. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Some videos really connect with the previous video, so make sure you guys stay up to date on that because I do talk about different stocks that I'm going to enter in. So if you saw that video, you would have known I would have probably entered this trade. So with that, we're going to go right into it. This chart right here is Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM. As you can see here, big sell-off here when the Slack news came out, sold out. I didn't enter any of this, even though it you probably could have maybe found the trade here. The reason I didn't enter this trade is because I don't enter anything before earnings. You can see here earnings was going to happen, so I knew not to enter it. When earnings came out and the day after following that, it did gap down this area right here. And then I found an area where I just wanted to see it go sideways for a little bit and then enter it. And I entered right here at 223. And I did take a relatively larger position. We could see, I can actually show you guys the position that I took. Let's see if I can find it. For this, I took a trade. I took 358 shares at 223.22 average. Right now it's at 225, so I'm up about 945 on the position. So I do believe that it could head higher just because the fundamentals look good for the company. It's fast growing, and I feel like overall people just panic sold it, and this is the perfect time using Lux Algo that I'm able to capture this trade. I do recommend using Lux Algo just because it gives you a little bit more confidence in your trading. I do like trading large cap stocks, so it's perfect for me. Finding these positions, you also use the RSI to make sure it's oversold. I like buying stocks that are oversold and making sure I capitalize on the way up. If you guys want to use Lux Algo, I have a code where you guys can take 10% off your first month. It's code BANDIT, and then that should give you guys 10% off on your first month. But yeah, with that, we're gonna pretty much just wait for it to trend higher here. And then we want to make sure it also goes past the 50 exponential moving average here, so we can know that it's going to trend higher and probably sell it a little bit closer to this reverse cloud up here, which 17% would be roughly like 12,000 or so. So that's pretty much the game plan I have. If we go a little bit farther out, we can see pretty much it's trading in a channel. If you can see up here, we're all the way down here in the 225 area here. And let me remove the Lux Algo real quick just because it's make it a little bit easier to go the year. So if we see here, we're all the way down here. So it's pretty much at the 200. This is a 200 moving day average. So I do believe that it bounced right there, and it's going to start heading a little bit higher just because it's a good company. It's Mark Benioff. We know what to expect from Salesforce, and overall it's just a really good company with good fundamentals. I do feel like everything's going to be more digitalized in the coming years to come. So I think it's going to be overall a good trade. And yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and I'm going to keep posting daily or at least twice a week. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.